It was like Indian burn. She knew what the fuck I couldn't.
Whoa. Damn. Didn't expect that. Damn. Fuck yeah, baby. Whoa.
Oh, that smells good.
That was fucking. Wow. Wow. Damn.
Fuck it. Now it starts when it's over.
Don't worry.
I heard shit a couple days ago.
Fuck yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Woo! Damn.
Better back here than it is up front.
Oh, hell yeah. Damn. You know what? Sucks to be them, man. They missed out.
Yeah, well,
Fuck that. That's kind of lame.
Ryan said film it so he can have
That's not the same thing the kid was holding his hand, is it?
No.
he can have him watch it. So
Okay.
Smell it.
So-
I love that gunpowder smell.
if you can
Yeah, I'll do
film
that.
it for me.
I will definitely do that. Linda.
Reminds me.
Fuck. Cool, man. Wow. Whoa, bitch.
Yeah, I like that.
That was awesome.
Yeah, that was like
off in the air
just
and do
conjured
that.
up a fucking shit
Yeah,
demon.
I thought.
Yeah, I'd probably.
Wow.
What do you think? I'd probably blow like half your arm off, right?
Oh, more than that probably.
Well, like the force of it hitting before it explodes might do more.
Yeah.
That's it for them. And then
Cool.
we got one more.
Major fucking thing.
Wow.
You got time for the guardrail, right? You sound like that, it might fucking hear us, might blow back.
Come light me up, hon.
Imagine that
You
shit.
want another one?
Blow back too. You see? Fuck that.
Wow.
I love reminds me.
Fuck. Cool, man. Wow. Whoa, bitch.
Yeah, I like that.
That was awesome.
Yeah, that was
Take
like
off in the air
just
and do
conjured
that.
up a fucking shit
Yeah,
demon.
I thought.